How's it going, everyone? This is Sean at the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is going to be a look at one of my old builds. I don't even know if I have a video for it. If I do, it's down in the videos, or if not, then it got deleted the first time I had my YouTube channel, and I deleted everything off. But this is kind of directed towards Matt at Model Car Videos. He is building the GUNZE SANGYO high-tech Triumph TR2 or TR3. I can't remember the racing version. And I just wanted to show him the ones that I got. I don't have that one, but these are the ones I do got, and I have built this one. And I'll show it to you here in a minute or two. But before we get started, I'd like to thank all my subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Hey, and if I mention anybody in these videos, I always leave a link in the description below. Always go check them out and support everybody in our community. All right. Well, like I said, old Matt, he is building the GUNZE SANGYO Triumph TR2 or TR3, and it is the British Racing Green. It's the I think the Le Mans version or whatever he's building. And I wanted to show him the ones in my stash as far as the Triumphs. Now, I have a crap ton of GUNZE SANGYO kits, but as far as the Triumph that he's working on, I got 3 right here. I also have I do have a couple high-tech kits, but they're the Fiat Abarth Assetto Corsa, and it is full engine detail. I mean, it is detailed to the max. I have a Volkswagen 56 or so oval window. It's the high tech, and then I got a bunch of Austin Haley bug-eyed sprites. I got 4 or 5 of them model kits. I don't know. I got a bunch of these GUNZE SANGYO kits, and I love them. The only bad thing about them, most of them don't have engine detail. And, well, yeah, 99% of them, the high-tech kits, just a few of them have engine detail, and that's not very many. So, all right, let's get started with this. Oh, Matt, he's working on a race car. Well, this is my race car. This is the Triumph TR3. This is historic sports car series here. You can see right there, it is red. It's got the numbers on it and everything. It's kind of like his kit, but his has got the, photo etched wire wheels and the photo etched frame and metal parts. This don't have that, but it is a very nice kit. You can see right there. This one's never been built. It's not going to be an unboxing or anything, but there it is. Nicely done kit. And I think this one was from let's see if we can find a date on this. 1994 on this one. I can't remember what year he said his was from. I think 80 something. That one's from 94. And here is the TR3. And see, this 2 different versions right here. This is the early version, TR3. You can see the mouth on this one. And that's the later version, TR3. See the wide mouth on it? There you go. And this one here is just the bone stock version with the wire wheels. You can see there. They build up to be beautiful kits, and I think this one right here is from 92. And it has never been built. As you can see, everything's still in it. Now, the third one we're talking about, now I've built this kit. Of course, I'm going to keep all my boxes to everything. This one right here, I've built this one, and I'm going to show you here in just a second. There's the side of this one. And this one here's a TR2. I'll show you here in just a second. This is 1992 as well. This is the TR2. It's got the small mouth, but it's an open mouth. Where the TR3 was still the small mouth in the early version, but you can see it's got a grill in there. there's the difference. Not a lot of difference. And then this one right here, as you can see, has the steel wheels with the hubcap on them, which it come with wire wheels too. That was an option, but that's the way that model kit come. And of course this one here's got the wire wheels on it. So with that being said, let me move these out of the way, and I'm going to show you this one right here. Let me get all these out. Be patient with me, guys. Be patient with me. So much crap. Let me turn around here. Get this model. Now, some of you older guys that's been on here a while, recognize this car. I built this car years ago. And like I said, I don't know if there's a video on this one or not, because it might have been the first time I was on YouTube, and then I deleted off all my videos and got off for a while. But, you know, since I've been back on, I think I have over 300 videos now. But this one here might be one of the older ones that y'all missed out on, some of you newer guys. As you can see here, it builds up super nice. Look at that. And there's something special I've done to this kit that I'll show you here in a second too. But you can see I put the pin size white wall tires on there. And I'll get a closer look here in just a second. You can see in the mouth of the car how I put, let me get a pointer here. I put the driving lights or the fog lights in there. Now this is one heck of a kit. Beautiful kit. They even got the fender welting painted on it. You can see right there. Matter of fact, I think I used metal on that, and I bent it and put it down on there. And then as far as the interior, let's get this in a little bit closer. I've got the carpet in the interior. It's red, molded in red. I got a black wash on the seats to try to make that leather look like it's old and used up. You can see in there's the instrument panel, steering wheel. Y'all know I'm a British car enthusiast. I own a couple of MGs. I love my British cars. Rob, time machine scale models. Yeah, I give Rob a hard time. He goes to these car shows and takes these videos, but all the British cars he's been leaving out. And so I had to tell him, say, hey, bud, give the British cars some love. Let's turn this bad boy over. You can see that is a plastic chassis, to where Mr. Matt is doing a full metal chassis. And he's having a time with it, but he's having fun. This is one heck of a kit, guys. It's a beautiful kit. You can see I painted my steel wheels the same color as the car. Now those white walls, they are gel pinned white walls. But I'm going to show you something special about this car. Ooh. Get it off there. Look at there. Boom. Look at that. Yes. I scratched built me a Triumph TR2 engine. I resin cast that engine. It's got the dual SU carburetors on it. You can see right there. It's got the battery. I put a battery in it. I wired that bad boy up. Even put a radiator in it. The hose. Look at that. Matt, I should have suggested to you before you did yours, but you've already painted the body. You can't cut the hood out now and everything, but I would have made you up an engine for it, but it's too late on yours now. But and I also did the trunk too, so that you could put luggage back there, which I ain't never put the luggage back there. Now, I didn't hinge these, because if you'll look at these hinges right here, boom, see those hinges? That's kind of hard to replicate when you're doing a model, so the hinges are exposed, so I just got it to where they come off, and there's the trunk area right there. And, you know, you could put a suitcase, golf clubs, whatever you want in the back. But, Matt, I thought you'd enjoy that. I wanted to show it to you. Let's put the hood right here. And the trunk lid right there. And actually, if y'all know these cars in real life, there's a door right here. This opens up and your spare tire goes there. So your spare tire is not actually sitting in here. Spare tire is sitting under. If that's if any of y'all needed to know that. Not that y'all wanted to know that, but hey, I'm giving you some useless information. That's what I do. And since I got it out, since I got that out of the case that I had it in, I figure I'll show you this one. Now, this is not a GUNZE SANGYO or nothing like that. This in here is the old Intex Minicraft Triumph TR3. I built this years ago. You can see it's not as nice as that one, and I didn't put an engine in that. It's painted yellow. Paint job's not the best. It's got like brown carpet and like tan colored seats. Now the wire wheels are spectacular on that. Look at that. Very good job. You can see the mouth of this one. It's a wide mouth. This is a late model TR3. There's the back. Similar to that one right there. Nothing special underneath this. This is curbside, you know. But hey, I just figured I'd show you all my Triumphs. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Rob, show more British cars. Matt, hope this inspired you, buddy. Bye.